Welcome back. This is Mr. Kinnear. This is benchmark number 21, multiplying polynomials. Now I know this is example 1, but this is really example 3 in our notes. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use the distributive property, and we want to find the product of two monomials. So this is one of the approaches that I'll take. We're saying this y is going to be multiplied to y minus 4. So we're going to go y times y. And then we have y times negative 4, which is going to be negative 4y. And then we're going to go on the inside terms here. 8 times y. And then you have 8 times negative 4. Make sure when you're working this out, you're showing all your work. You're taking your time working this out. You're distributing negative 32. And then in this case, you want to go ahead and combine like terms. So you got y squared, you got y, and negative 32. So we're going to combine these two terms. So I'll bring everything down. Y2. Negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4y. And then let's go ahead and bring down the minus 32. So this will be our final answer. All right, if you have any questions on this third example, let me know, and I'll be glad to help you out. All right, welcome back. This is Mr. Kernier. I'm working with you guys on this third example on multiplying polynomials. Let's go ahead and let's change this color. Let's go red. And we want to do this one more time. We want to use the distributive property to multiply these two binomials. So let me show you a different route. This is 2x times this quantity here. So this is what I just said. We're going to use what we learned in the first part of the notes. All right, so x plus 6. And the second quantity is plus 1 times x plus 6. So this is when you're distributing the 2x to the x plus 6 quantity and the 1 times the x plus 6. So we're going to do this just the same way. We're just going to multiply this out. 2x times x is x squared. And you have 2x times 6 is positive 12x. And then we're going to work this side. 1 times x is positive 1x. And then a positive 1 and a positive 6 is a positive 6. And you want to go ahead and combine like terms here as well. All right, so there's nothing with the x squares. 12 plus 1 is 13. And then the plus 6. All right, let me know if you have any questions on this example. Again, show all your work. It'll be advisable to use a notebook. Keep your notes in here. All right. Any questions, let me know. All right, this is your chance to work on this guided practice. You want to find the product of two binomials. Good luck, and let's get this one correct. Okay, your chance to shine again. You want to find the product of this binomial and this binomial. Good luck. Take your time working this out. All right, we're going to go ahead and continue. You're practicing the multiplying these two binomials. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, this is your last question here. Multiply these two binomials. Last example here on this video. We're going to go ahead and multiply a binomial times a trinomial. So let's go ahead. It's going to take a little bit of work here. Let's go black. And what we want to do is we want to multiply 3a to each term. All right, so 3a times a squared, 3a cubed. We're going to go 3a times negative 12. We get negative 36. A times a is a squared. Again, you're multiplying that. And then 3a times 1 is positive 3a. So we distributed the first term to each term here on the second. The second step you want to do, I'm going to go ahead and change colors for you guys. Let's go red. And we're going to say 4 on the inside, 4 times a squared. And then we're going to go 4 times negative 12, which is going to be negative 48a. And the last one here is going to be 4 times 1 gives me a positive 4. Notice how I lined this all up. I got the cubes here, I got squares here, I got a's here, and I just got the regular numbers here, the constants. So after you finish that up, we just want to go ahead and finish this up nicely. Just add up like terms. 3a cubed, 36 negative plus 4, 38a squared, 3 and a negative 48, negative 45a, and the last one here is positive 4. And this is it, a binomial times a trinomial. All right. A lot of work here. Make sure you take your time. You'll see this on the benchmark. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, talk to you later. Bye. All right, so your chance. You can use a dry erase board. You can use your notes. You're going to try to finish this up. The product of a binomial times a trinomial, A, B, C, or D. Good luck, and talk to you soon. This is really challenging. It's a trinomial times a trinomial. You'll have 3 layers on this problem. Let's see how you can do, okay? A, B, C, or D.